They told you that getting older means slowing down, that you lose your energy, your spark, your sense of connection. They said that intimacy fades with age. That passion becomes a thing of the past. That closeness, both emotional and physical, becomes harder to find. But they were wrong. Completely wrong. Hi, I'm Dr. Lucas, a men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping older adults reignite their vitality, improve their circulation, and rediscover deep connection, even well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. And what I've learned from decades of working with real people, real couples, is something most folks never hear from traditional medicine. Because while the world tells you that aging is a downhill road, that feeling tired, distant, or less interested in intimacy is just how it goes, I'm here to tell you a different story. One filled with hope and backed by nature. You see, most people believe that to feel youthful again, you need pills, expensive treatments, or risky hormone injections. But the truth is, sometimes the most powerful solutions are simple, natural, and already growing on trees. In fact, there are just 4 everyday fruits. Yes, fruits that can dramatically improve how alive, connected, and energized you feel, especially after the age of 60. These fruits are more than just tasty snacks. They contain natural compounds that support better blood flow, stronger hormone function, and even enhance your emotional connection without the need for pharmaceuticals. And they work. I've seen it with my own eyes. So if you're over 60 or even approaching it, and you've noticed your energy dipping, your passion fading, or your connection weakening, stick around. Because in just a moment, I'm going to share each fruit, what it does, how it works, and how you can start using it today. But first, take a moment to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video like this, designed to help you stay strong, vibrant, and connected in your golden years. And if you're finding this helpful already, drop a 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. I read every comment, and I create new videos based on your feedback. Now, let's dive into the 4 incredible fruits that could change how you experience life after 60. 1. Red grapes, the circulation enhancer. Let's start with something simple and familiar, red grapes. You may have a bunch sitting in your fridge right now, but these little fruits are anything but ordinary. They're packed with resveratrol, a natural antioxidant found in the skins of red grapes. Now, why does that matter? Because resveratrol helps your blood vessels relax and expand, a process known as vasodilation. This allows more oxygen-rich blood to travel to your heart, your brain, your muscles, and yes, even your intimate areas. As we get older, blood circulation often becomes one of the first things to slow down. You might feel colder in your hands and feet, get tired more easily, or notice that intimacy isn't quite what it used to be. But when you improve blood flow, everything changes. For men, red grapes can help support stronger, more reliable erections by naturally boosting nitric oxide, the molecule that helps trigger and maintain arousal. For women, improved blood flow to the pelvic region can increase sensation, comfort, and emotional closeness, all without medication. I've worked with couples who simply started eating a handful of red grapes each day, and within a few weeks, they reported feeling closer, more alive, and more connected. It wasn't a miracle. It was simply nature doing what it was always designed to do. 2. Cranberries, the kidney defender. Next up, cranberries. You might think of them as just a side dish during Thanksgiving, but don't let their small size fool you. Cranberries are powerful defenders of your kidneys and urinary tract. Now, you might be wondering, what do kidneys have to do with intimacy? The answer, everything. When your kidneys aren't functioning well, toxins build up in your body. Inflammation rises. Your energy drops. Hormonal signals get weaker. And your body starts working against your desire for closeness. For men, poor kidney health is often linked to reduced libido and weaker performance. For women, it can lead to dryness, discomfort, and reduced sensitivity. Cranberries contain special compounds called proanthocyanidins that help keep your urinary system clean, reduce inflammation, and protect the delicate blood vessels in your pelvic area. Whether you add a handful of dried cranberries to a salad or sip on a small glass of unsweetened cranberry juice, this little fruit helps you feel lighter, more refreshed, and more balanced, inside and out. 3. Papaya, the energy restorer. Feeling drained, no matter how much sleep you get? Struggling to feel that spark of motivation or interest in your partner, even though the love is still there? You might be missing a crucial ally, papaya. This golden orange fruit is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, along with enzymes like papain, which helps reduce inflammation and improve digestion. But what really makes papaya special is its ability to support hormone health. I once worked with a man in his mid-60s. He exercised, ate clean, and tried to stay active, but he just fell flat. He told me, "Doc, I'm doing all the right things. Why don't I feel right?" We added just 1 cup of fresh papaya to his morning smoothie with Greek yogurt and a few almonds. Within weeks, his energy returned. He felt lighter, brighter, more engaged with life, and more connected to his wife. That's because papaya helps improve oxygen flow, hormone balance, and energy production at the cellular level. And it's not just for men. For women, papaya can also help ease tension, support circulation, and make intimacy feel more comfortable and natural again. 4. Cherries, the intimacy booster. And finally, cherries. There's something almost magical about cherries. They're soft, sweet, and soothing. You don't eat them quickly, you savor them. And your body responds the same way. Cherries are full of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation to your most sensitive areas. But perhaps the most important benefit of cherries is their impact on sleep and emotional well-being. They're one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. And when you sleep better, your body produces more balanced hormones, including testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol. Better sleep leads to a better mood. Better mood leads to more emotional connection. And more connection leads to intimacy that feels natural, not forced. I remember one couple married for over 40 years who told me they had started sharing a small bowl of cherries every night before bed. Within a month, they were sleeping better, laughing more, and feeling reconnected, not just physically, but emotionally. It's amazing what can happen when your body and mind feel aligned again. So how do you start? The beauty of this is you don't need a strict diet plan. No hard-to-find supplements or complicated regimens. Just pick one fruit. Start small. Be consistent. Maybe it's red grapes in the afternoon, a spoonful of papaya with breakfast, a splash of cranberry juice with lunch, or a few cherries after dinner. What matters is that you're giving your body a signal every day. I choose vitality. I choose connection. I choose to live fully. And when you do that consistently, you'll start noticing changes. Warmer hands and feet, brighter energy, clearer thoughts, more restful sleep, and maybe a return of something beautiful you thought was gone. Because here's what I've learned after helping thousands of older adults. It's never too late. You don't have to turn back time. You just have to nourish the time you have left with intention, with love, and with the gifts nature provides. Red grapes, cranberries, papaya, cherries. They're not magic, but they are powerful. They're not just food. They're daily reminders that you're still here, still strong, still worthy of connection, energy, and joy. So next time you're at the store or reaching for a snack, don't think of it as just food. Think of it as fuel. Fuel for life. And if this video gave you hope, even just a little, drop a 1 in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling. I'm here for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips that help you live fully at every stage of life. Thanks for watching. And here's to feeling strong, vibrant, and deeply connected, no matter your age.